Hey guys, welcome back to BTech. So this is an M2 Max MacBook Pro. Let's talk about this. Previously, we were using M1 Max and M1 Pro, which were doing the jobs with extraordinary huge leap of performance compared with the Intel processors. And now they have upgraded to M2 with two variants, M2 Pro and M2 Max. So what's new in it? And we also talk about in this video what has improved in it compared to the previous M1 Max. And also we will talk about the few small changes that have improved its performance way beyond the previous one. So keep watching this video till the end. This week Apple updated the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook with M2 Max and M2 Pro chips. Apple introduces this new Mac through a press release and released an 18-minute video on its YouTube channel, which is rumored to be cut out of some other video. Also, it was rumored about M2 Max and M2 Pro is to be released in October 2022. As people figured out that link provided to buy these products mentioned the date of 2022. Also, the AR file of the upgraded MacBook will have October month mentioned in it. Well, let's leave it and move on to the upgraded M2 chips. The M1 chip was introduced with saying like it will give 20% improved CPU performance and 30% improved GPU performance. And now the beast has landed, M2 Max. Yes, with 38 core GPU and 96 gigs of RAM support. So in M2 Pro, 2 more efficiency cores have been increased and 3 more GPU cores have been added. This means 2 additional efficiency cores will help in increase the battery life, compared to the previous M1 Pro chips or M1 Max chips. Similarly, 3 more GPU cores gives a bump to the graphic-centric task performance like image editing or video editing or different softwares like Blender or etc. That being said, the M2 Pro is introduced with 19-core GPU. On the other hand, Apple introduced a beast of all time, the new 38-core GPU, M2 Max, with an enhanced neural engine for super smooth machine learning and media playback and transcoding in a super fast way. Let's talk about some benchmarks to find out whether this beast is really powerful or not. So we got a single core Geekbench score of over 2000 to be exact, and our multi-core score is over 15,000. The rest of the scores are here. So basically you can see the bar has been raised. Now have a look at the small changes it has done. Number 1 is the color matching MagSafe cable with the improved build quality. The Wi-Fi is now upgraded to Wi-Fi 6E. It is configured with the latest Bluetooth, that is Bluetooth 5.3. But the most important thing is it comes with the HDMI 2.1, which is the most talked about aspect of MacBooks. However, because of the lack of the ports in the previous models, people used to buy multi-port hubs, which used to be a hack of things and not very consumer-centric. People used to hate Apple every time they get in a situation where they need to transfer images files, video files, or they need to transfer image files or video files through memory cards or external drives. Anyway, having Bluetooth 5.3 is a kind of a future-proofing, and similarly, Wi-Fi 6E is also the future-proofs this MacBook along with the HDMI 2.1, and hence seamless experience. Okay, now let's talk about my personal opinion on buying these machines. I think if you are after best performance and powerful machine, you can go with the M2 Max. But if you are looking for a maximum battery life and you can compromise on the power, then you can go with the M2 Max. But what if you already have M1 Max? Then in that case, I think you guys should wait for the M3 chips, which will be dropping by the end of this year with 3nm chips, and hence will be even more interesting and powerful to work on. So let's wrap this video here. Wait. I'm going to drop a video on M2 Mac Minis this week only, and it is very, very, very interesting because of the price point it is introduced. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Also, I've made a dedicated camera comparison of iPhone 14 Plus and iPhone 14 Pro. You must be thinking that the iPhone 14 Pro has been the winner. No, you will be shocked to see results. So go check out that video. Take care.